Hi friends, thank you so much for watching this video. And in this video I'm going to give crystal clear tricks how to earn money without impacting your current job. Okay, without giving any problem, you can earn some additional revenue based on your skill. Okay, that I will explain in this video. And without any major problem in your life, you can run your current job and you can earn additional revenue based on your skill. Okay, and we have been uploading a lot of videos in background verifications. Okay, and if you face any issues, welcome to connect with me. I'm ready to give the solution in genuine way, and please connect with me. My mail ID is available in this video description. If you are watching first time our channel, please subscribe and share to your friends. Okay, and here is the first trick to earn money, additional revenue while doing your job. Okay, trick number one is teach English for poor people. Okay, take some less amount from them, teach good English in basic level. Okay, and we are in software industry, we communicating with multiple people, not in our nations, we are discussing with international level, we will speak with international people. We will have some knowledge, actually English knowledge. We can educate that knowledge to poor people from 10th level to even college level. You can educate English language, spoken English, you can get some revenue. And however, you can join in any other app. Lot of app is available. You can join in the app and then you can teach people easily. However, without any intermediary, without any app, if you teach people, okay, if you teach people English, you may earn additional revenue. Okay, because the app people also will deduct some money from your followers or from your trainees. Okay, and then you can publish this in your Facebook page. So I'm ready to educate English basic level. You can get minimum level of amount based on the people financial level. Okay, which is most important. And trick number two is very easiest one, freelancer. You can do freelancer. Definitely we are in development process, most of the people in development process. If you are tester or if you are UI developer, mingle with your friends and try to develop on applications and approach people. There are a lot of free social media available. Publish your skill, publish your talent, and publish your so these are all requirement we are going to do. These are all application we can deploy, especially for departmental stores, small business. So, okay, create simple banner and publish. So we are helping for small development process, small database process, small database maintenance and manipulation data. Mostly the database nothing but is storing the data and retrieving the data for business purpose. Okay, so freelancer applications, you may do that with your friends. If you are tester or developer or UI developer, mingle with your friends and create simple banner and publish your ad in Facebook and any other social media and earn some money in freelancer job. Okay, so and then the third important thing is, most important thing, you can educate people in college. Okay, you can give seminar. If you give seminar, minimum they will pay you 10,000 to 25,000 based on your skill. What about your language and what about your experience level, based on which you can get revenue from college if you give this seminar. Okay, many people, you may raise questions. Many colleges are not running, visually running, digitally people are teaching classes in the college. Seminars also happening in digital way only. You can educate people in their respective skills. Okay, even it is soft skill, or if you are ready to educate in different languages, whatever you are in specialist, how it is currently, what are all additional action people should take, what are all language should learn, what are all basic languages, how about market right now, if they learn that language, how will be the salary package level, you can educate. However, we are working in big organization, we know how many people are expecting this language. Okay, especially degree guideware, JavaScript, for these languages are niche skill. Okay, even though many people are available, however still requirement is going on. If you educate these languages, definitely they will get more opportunity. You can educate in that way. Okay, niche skill, rare skill, demand skill, you can educate. So these are all demand skill, demand languages. If you learn that, definitely you will get the opportunity with high pay. Like that you can educate in the seminars in the college. So these are all three tricks you can additional revenue and without impacting your current job. Okay, so hope this video is useful for you people. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and always give your support. and don't forget to share this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.